As the flesh-eating ox cracks its knuckles, Josh and Adam pick up their super soakers and put on their game faces.
Kick it!
Like a Krav Maga pineapple bear flailing his sour spaghetti nunchuck.
I'm Josh.
And I'm Adam.
Welcome to the SolidSmack Cool Tools of Doom and Stuff.
Brought to you by 5 ounces of auditory meatloaf, spraying from the oven at 320 beats per minute.
Thank you, Smothmailer.
You're welcome.
Now,
Cool Tools of Doom and Stuff. Design.
when your run-of-the-mill axe just won't do the job, be sure to check out the American Felling Axe by NYC company Best Made.
This updated take on the traditional axe design is made from high-carbon American steel and drop-forged in North Carolina by fourth-generation axe makers.
Oh yeah, only you can decide if it will go on the wall or with you into the woods.
$275 at bestmadeco.com.
The Laundry Pod is a $100 portable washing machine that sheds its power cord for human energy.
This clever little salad spinner-like device uses 0 electricity and less than 5 gallons of water per load.
Perfect for camping, tight living spaces, and the eco-conscious. Check it out at thelaundrypod.com.
Applications.
BitJim is the new app seeking to keep you inside staring at glowing rectangles even more frequently. And it's currently being crowdfunded on Kickstarter, and it aims to bring the outdoors to your pasty flesh while you try to run or bike inside.
Using the front-facing camera on your iPad or iPhone, the app detects your body movement, sets the pace for your running through dozens of outdoor environments, including Swiss Alps, California coast, lava flows, dozens of other outdoor environments.
While nothing can possibly replace actually being in an actual place, this app brings the next best thing, maybe. Check it out at Kickstarter.
And perhaps if you do find yourself running through a lava flow on the Big Island, you may want to pull out the Tadaa 3D photo app.
Ta-da! Using an in-app editor, the user is able to mask off portions of a photo to create a 3D effect that can then be shared on the rapidly expanding Tadaa Instagram-like sharing network. Check it out for $3.99 on iTunes.
DIY.
If you've been missing your disc golf days in college, then consider this inexpensive disc golf goal project from Instructables.
Using parts you can salvage around your garage or pick up from Lowe's for less than $75, you can build your very own mini disc golf course in your very own backyard.
Yeah, check it out at Instructables.
If, while rummaging through your garbage for disc golf goal parts, you happen to find some old discarded metal files, consider this File to Knife project from Instructables as well.
Making your own shiv. You'll learn everything from shaping your blade and making the grind to designing it and creating the handle over the course of a weekend.
Josh's kids have been shivving each other all weekend. Get yourself a box of Band-Aids and check it out at Instructables.
Wear safety glasses, please.
Rock awesomeness.
Red Bull is at it again with their world record feats. This past week, Red Bull sponsored Russian daredevil Valery Rosov's base jump off the north face of Mount Everest at 23,688 feet above sea level was captured.
After 4 days of continuous climbing, Rosov finally broke the record despite hazardous weather and temperatures.
Insane.
Check that full video out at YouTube for sure.
And finally,
Yep.
Elon Musk, the man of the hour with all things high-tech, has announced plans to turn an Iron Man-inspired gesture-controlled rocket design into reality.
Musk has even been compared to the Iron Man himself, Mr. Tony Stark, with his devotion to the advancements of all things tech and all. According to his Twitter feed, we'll be seeing a video next weekish of Musk and team designing a rocket with hand gestures and then immediately printing them in titanium.
Look out. Keep your eyes peeled for updates on SolidSmack. Smothmailer, little buddy, what do you think of all this?
It's a well-known scientific fact that Smothmailers base jump every morning for their commute to work. Instead of climbing up high mountains, we fall up. Because the laws of gravity apply to our left and right buttocks differently.
Excellent.
Theory of relative buttocks. Look it up.
Mr. Adam, what's on Cadjunkie, good sir?
We've still got our power surfacing subdivision miniseries for SolidWorks running strong, but keep an eye out for the new power surfacing series on the horizon. There's a lot more to come. And as always, be sure to head over to cadjunkie.com, get that free membership, and stay updated.
And on EngineerVsDesigner, well, we're talking to the Canary crew. It's a device that aims to replace home security with a multi-sensor home monitoring device. We'll talk with the guys behind the design and find out more about how they made the crowdfunding work for them. Check it all out on EngineerVsDesigner.com.
Is that the crowdfunding that they have on the internet?
Yes, it is.
And there you have it.
Send your cool tool finds to smoth@solidsmack.com.
Sign up for our newsletter there in the sidebar.
Or ask us a question in the comments or via email about DIY design tech or anything else. Smoth would love to help.
Do it! As it happens, buttocks are extremely useful for flying, even if you don't have differential gravity on each cheek. Smoth millers happen to have useful anatomical features, like butt flaps for flying and or attacking enemies. They're also used for climbing trees and cliffs, and for grabbing onto high-speed missiles while propelling through the inner atmosphere. They were once showcased on Ren and Stimpy, when the wrestler guy did the insidious, the awful, flying butt pliers.
A production of EVD Media.